Remove the check port on the upper side of swing motor. Install the adapter you prepared. Remove the adapter cap and connect with the gauge hose. Though swing operation pressure is less than 100 bars, it uses the gauge with more than 400 or 600 bars due to the peak or relief pressure. When measuring swing operation, set its position as shown here. Set RPM to its max power mode and conduct swing operation for 3 times. Make this position to measure the swing relief pressure. Push bucket into the ground but not hard enough to do the jack up. When you try swing operation in the direction where adapter is installed, you can check the swing relief pressure without swing operation. Check if the pressure is normal based on specs. Remove the gauge hose and adapter you installed.
That's good.
Quickly install the plug after removing the adapter to prevent contamination with hydraulic oil. Clean up the contaminated area. When the SH line is produced during operation in the PG line that is in standby and swing brake valves, it pushes spool and the PG pressure goes into brake piston. Then, the brake piston held with spring force goes up due to pressure and the brake is released. When swing operation stops in the middle, the supply-to-supply line stops due to inertia and the pressure is produced on the opposite side. The swing relief valves are consisted of springs and spools. If the pressure is higher than a constant of spring, the inner line opens and closes as the spring is pressed. This is how the spring relief valve curve looks like. As the oil flow stops from the supply line, cavitation that may be caused by vacuum is prevented. The anti-cavitation valve in the supply line opens for proper oil supply. Then, it prevents cavitation that may occur due to vacuum from lack of oil flow in the supply line. Swing reactionless valve is one of the key components in swing motor. When swing operation stops, swing motor continues to rotate by inertia. Then, inertia is reduced by swing reactionless valve to maximize driver comfort. Oil supply begins from the left and the valve moves to the right due to pressure. The oil line between valves is completely blocked and the entire oil flow goes into motor, initiating swing operation. When swing operation stops in the middle, the supply line on the left is blocked and the pressure is produced on the opposite side due to inertia. The valve moves to the left, the opposite side, by the pressure from the right. At the same time, an oil line is created between valves and hydraulic oil is drained. When the pressure produced by inertia is completely released, the valve is repositioned in a neutral location between the valves on both ends. When all operations stop, SH pressure is released and spool is neutralized due to the pressure it's been pushing, blocking the pressure in the PG line. The PG pressure held by brake piston moves downward again by spring force and activates brake.